So we got scammed. No, we need that transit visa. They have free transit for 30 days if we allowed to enter Seoul. South Korea, baby.
It's so good. Oh, this is so good. Hey everyone, welcome back to For the Imprints with Krishna and Ranjit, and this is our end of Japan series while the beginning of our South Korea series.
Today we are leaving Japan. We know we left so many things we didn't do.
Yes, there's a long list of pending items already for our next trips to Japan, but this time we are traveling to a new country, our 18th country. So right now we are at Tengacha station in Osaka, and we have checked out from our hotel, took a metro, came here. Now we are going to take another metro, which is an airport train from here to Kansai airport. So let's get started.
And in this video I will let you know what is the visa process for Indians, Canadians, and once you land in airport, what you need for phone connection, transit and everything. So let's go. We miss this train.
So full.
So full.
The next train will be in 13 minutes, so this will take us from this Tengacha station to Kansai airport in 35 minutes. It's an express train.
The fare is total from our hotel to airport 1,210 yen
Per person.
So right now we are at the airport, and this airport actually looks similar to our Billy Bishop airport in Toronto, because that is also in an island. This is also in an island. Now we are going to the check-in counter because they need to see our visa thing. I will let you know about visa in a bit. Our flight is from Terminal 1, Asiana Airlines. Finally we found Asiana Airlines in counter C.
Do you have Korea visa or? So we will be transiting through Korea as a stopover.
As a stopover, because we are going to Canada. We are Canadian PR. So going to Korea, then we are stopping there 10 days. Then we are going to Korea to Canada.
Do you have Korea visa or?
No, we need that transit visa. Because Korea has this transit visa, right? They have free transit for 30 days. So as I was saying, regarding visa, we have the option to apply the visa, or we can transit through Seoul if we have Canadian PR. So you have to come from Canada to Korea to some third country, or from some third country to Korea to Canada. If it is complicated, I'll give you the link in the description, and the screenshot will come here. You can get the details. And if you have more queries, just write down in the comment section. They don't know, maybe they are not so sure, they're checking, and we'll let you know in details if we get the transit visa and if we allowed to enter Seoul. Okay, so now the complicated process of visa. So as an Indian passport, you do need visa to travel to Seoul or South Korea. Now, if you have a Canadian PR or US residency or EU residency, you can actually travel to Seoul with a transit visa, which will give you 30 days access to South Korea. But to get the process in the airport, it is a little complicated. They will take your residency details and your passport. They will contact the immigration. Then only they will generate your boarding pass to South Korea. So that's what we are doing. And for Canadian passport, it's easy. Just fill up the KETA, which is online form, and you can just come and you can go directly to South Korea. So see you there.
So right now we are waiting because they are calling the immigration of South Korea to let them know can't follow the imprints, enter. So they will be like yes. So we are waiting for that.
So till then, follow the imprints.
It's not ending.
It's not ending. There's a lot more to come. It's okay.
It's your card. It's your card. This is your boarding pass.
Okay.
Yours.
Thank you.
Today's luggage is number 17. This is the boarding time. It's for you. It's for you.
Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Thank you. Have a nice flight.
So as we have American Express Platinum card, which gives us priority pass access to lounges.
All across the globe. That's my favorite part before flying.
So
Free food.
so we haven't have our breakfast yet. It's 9:31. So we're rushing to the lounge, which is ANA lounge. So we'll get some breakfast from there. Then we'll board our flight at 10:20. So we do have around 50 minutes. So that's our lounge. ANA, Star Alliance Gold member or Priority member can access this lounge. So we got scammed.
So the lounge thing was a big flop.
Yeah, the ANA lounge where we went first, with the priority pass we can only access from 11 a.m. and our flight is 10:50. The other lounges we went only snacks, like only tea and cookies.
Yeah.
That's all. No food. Now we are going to family. So we got one bento box, chicken bento box, one sandwich, egg sandwich, and one cake.
Fruit cake.
Bond. James Bond.
So all of them 1,000 for Japanese yen. That's the ASEAN Airlines or Asiana Airlines, which we will take, I guess, because this is 17 number gate. So how are you feeling?
Number 18.
Come on, baby, come on, country number 18, come on. This is Air Asiana A350. So I have ample amount of space, remote, TV, AMADBB.
And we have got 2 arrival cards for Korea, which we need to fill on flight.
And today we are flying economy.
And this is actually a new airline for us, right?
Yes.
The first time
Air
we are,
Asiana.
it looks good. It's spacious, clean, and the staffs are also very nice, so it looks good.
So we got a blanket as well for 1 hour 50 minutes flight.
I mean, it's optional. If you want, you can take. So I took, he didn't because he has children.
In Bengali, choli. Fact. The flight crew actually bowing to every seat.
Welcome aboard.
So they have curry and rice. I didn't know for 1 hour 50 minutes flight they have food, but they gave us hot meal.
And they are already full because we ate meal from family bar.
Yeah,
But
anyway.
it's good. Let's see. Air Asiana is leveling up.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Seoul Incheon International Airport.
South Korea, baby. Just now we reached South Korea airport, Incheon airport. From here we have to take transit card, which is T-money card, and then we need to take a SIM card and a little bit of money for everything.
And will go to downtown Seoul, which will take around 1.5 hours from here.
So let's go. Same, they were asking all the same thing, just the way they asked in the airport. PR, this. Now, the first thing we need money. So we are using our Wise card for money exchange. Exchange rate of the bank and the Wise, it's different. The Wise will give you more exchange rate, so we are using that. The exchange rate is very good. We'll give the link in the description. You can get your money in any country. We only got 50,000 too. That will suffice our hotel trip from here. 100,000 Korean won. So we got our T-money card, which is 77,000 for two. With that, they are also giving free Korean transport card. We tried getting this ticket from the ticket vending machine, but the IC card which we got doesn't have any money. So we went to the in-person ticket and we got 17,000 each from here to downtown Nondamun market.
The seats were so comfortable and with lots of leg space, and it reclines too.
So the bus will take more than 1 hour. She has already felt asleep. So we got down from the airport bus in Nandamum market. From here it is 14-minute walk. So we are walking towards our guest house, Creep 69 guest house.
The roads here are crazy with a K.
Hello Sudeshna, your key is on the green mailbox. Okay. No, sorry. So quick room tour. Once you enter from here, you have wash machine and a mirror and cupboard, room, luggage space, 2 single Korean futon, TV, some space for your electronics. Again cupboard, a mini fridge, and the bathroom. It's Indian style bathroom, wet bathroom. Price for this hotel is $55 per night. We are here for only 2 nights. We are going tomorrow Busan. We'll stay there for 3 nights. Then again we'll come back to Seoul and do the Seoul things. Complimentary breakfast down in the kitchen, which is downstairs, which is shared. Bread, buttered jam, noodles, and also cereals with milk. Now we are going to Myeongdong Street. So for navigation we are not using Google Maps. Instead we are using Kakao Map and Naver Map. Naver Map will give you the English version, and Kakao Map has more options. So we are using both. You can download that from App Store or Google Store.
So right now we are at Myeongdong Street, which is famous for street food shops, K-pop stores, cosmetic shops and whatnot. Like, it's kind of giving us Osaka vibes. Let's see what we can eat here. So whoever of you have watched Squid Game, this umbrella doesn't need any introduction. So this is a dalgona based cookie. It is so good. Like, it has a obviously dalgona coffee kind of flavor. And also that in like India we used to get something called sesame. We used to get some stick in Bengali tiler kathi. It's kind of like that.
Starbucks coffee. We are having Star Chicken in Myeongdong Street. Spicy, 1 cup, 7,000 won.
Spicy.
So whoever were missing Starbucks from our vlogs, now you have Star Chicken. So he has given 2 pieces of that tteokbokki thing. With that, some spicy chicken. So let's see. I think this sauce is very spicy, which we haven't mixed it yet. It's good.
So they have this fruit stick which is dipped into some syrup, sweet syrup. Let's see. It's hard candy type. Sweet strawberry. This is nice. It's actually nice.
And our sweet savory circle continues. So this is a chicken dumpling, which is Myeongdong dumpling. So let's see how it is. Oh, this is so good. Like, I know this is the only description I'm giving for every food and it's good, but this is really good. We have fallen in the trap of savory and sweet thing. So now our next thing is we got an ice cream, which is one side sesame black, one side
Milk.
milk. So here in Japan and Korea, like all the ice creams, they're called as soft ice cream because the texture is really soft and smooth. Okay, it's not that good. It doesn't have any taste. Kind of weird. So it's not bad, it's not good either.
One. 2,000 for this egg bun.
Let's try. It's good.
So you can get your SIM card in the airport or in the local shop from the city. The price is 38,500, which is $28 US. Or you can get that from Airalo, but in Airalo it is little expensive, $32. We got it from airport. It was cheaper for us. So you will see non-stop BTS in Seoul, K-pop.
You know we're in Korea when you see the 7 faces.
you better pay me proper. 당연하다고 믿어봤지만 생각보다도 외로웠지. 걸 어른이라고 부른다지만 절대로 익숙해질렸지. 너와도 연락이 뜸해졌지. 서로 가는 길이 멀어져. But they never did ever did ever I'm flowing in heaven and live it till it put up when it rained down. It rained down like pain. You made me a, you made me a believer. Pain, you bring me down and build me up, believer.
And welcome to our unofficial food vlog. So our next food is the famous tteokbokkis, which let me finally try it. These are rice cakes kind of thing, right?
Yes. Spicy?
It's spicy. It's actually very spicy. And it tastes kind of like pasta, a bit chewy, spicy sauce, but it's good. We literally just finished the tteokbokki and saw this grilled spicy chicken barbecue, which is Korean famous, so just had to try it. Okay, it's good. It's very good.
This is ice cream mochi. This is normal mochi. We'll go for coconut ice cream mochi.
Thank you, 감사합니다.
Okay.
I think the night is still young. So it's just happening. We are getting the spice. Now we need some sweet. Now it's too sweet. We need spice again. And now we're in a loop. So we got ice cream mochi, which is the coconut flavor.
This is coconut mochi. It's filling of coconut ice cream. On top of that mochi thingy. It's coconut. Chicken kebab, yeah.
See, in Japan, we couldn't eat fruits because it's scarce and very, very expensive. Here, the moment we landed in South America, but here we got our first fruit after 10 days, and this watermelon cost us 6,000 won. So you can ask to make it as a juice, or you can eat as fruit, same price.
One last thing before wrapping up today. The ATM fee in the airport, it was 4,800 won. But in the city, the ATM fee is 3,500 won, which is like airport it is $3.50, here it is $2.50. That is the difference.
And we just took out 500,000 won. It looks like this bunch of money, which is like around 360 USD only. I mean, it's still a lot of money, but not like this.
That is a lot. I could have like withdrawn 1 million. The walking pedestrian that has red lights now. It will turn into green, then only we can cross the road.
After being just 2 days in Seoul, I can really see that how Koreans are obsessed with skincare and K-pop. Like everywhere there are so many huge stores of skincare products. So if you are into skincare, cosmetics, Korea is a heaven for you.
And if you have liked our Osaka to Seoul and also this Myeongdong Street video, do subscribe to our channel and press like and comment below. Till then,
Follow them, friends. See you in the next episode. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of not Japan but South Korea.
took one metro station which came to Tengachaya station. Gangnam Style. Oh.